Jawach elo sirikal Isaac Mwaura koro wacho ni nitiere kony mawuok e pinje maoko manyalo bedo ni jiwo sir ne ng'anyo ma pachoka ewi paro mar chik omenda ma higani. Ma biro bang' ng'anyo ma osebedo e counties mopogore opogore komedo ni sirikal biro twak kod kendo kawo pach rowere ma bende dwaro mondo paro ma kamano owit oko ka giseye ni odhi medo hinyo jo Kenya.
There was a Twitter space today that had about 60,000 people, and I joined in because it was a very good conversation from fellow Kenyans, and we believe that it's good for people to express each other because tuko 92 moja, we don't have another country. This is the only country that we have in this nation, and so therefore it was good that people came together to speak about the topics around the finance bill. Yes, let me just say this, that the ongoing peaceful demonstrations by Kenyans, by the Gen Zs, it's a guarantee under Article 37 of the Constitution. And of course, there is also Article 33 that speaks about the freedom of rights. And so therefore, our work, for example, as a government is, like my office is to communicate to the government. So we really, as a government, want to acknowledge that democratic space